What up, players? Alright guys, so I know it's been a while. It's been like 3 weeks since I haven't uploaded. We haven't had nothing on the channel pretty much going on, but we're back finally. The Nova's back and it's time to get moving on this thing. I know a lot of people have been commenting more Nova content, C10 content. We've been pushing the Camaro for a bit, and so I didn't want to just keep pushing out stuff on the Camaro. Nova's back, so we're gonna be starting with this. This video is pretty much gonna be about how to remove this front windshield and the process of me working on it and stuff. So I've been kind of busy and stuff, and like I said, I didn't want to just keep pushing out content on the Camaro because that's all really we had. Now I'm gonna have some time to be working on this, so I'm gonna start with removing this front windshield because as you could see, you see how like, let me block the sunlight. You see how it's like crusty, it's pretty much like that all the way the whole bottom. So, and then also like when it rains and stuff, there's like water that drips in from there on the inside. So I know that up here is probably bad too. This car pretty much almost had like no rust with it except for that, and I've been like pushing that to the side since I got this car. I've already had it for like probably like 5 years, I don't even know, 5-6 years, but that's my first step. So right now I'm gonna go to my buddy Eric's house. He has a little tool to remove the window trim, and he's gonna take these off for me. I spray painted these like a year ago or something, and it's like so ugly now, but I'm gonna paint them right this time. Like I said, I'm gonna take them off, that way I can get access to behind all this stuff, and I'm gonna show you guys how to remove this front window. I'm gonna end up trashing this thing because it's so old, faded, and like has pits and everything from rocks and I don't know what. I'm gonna be getting a new one. I'll be showing you guys the guys that come and install the new window too, and I'm gonna show you guys all the rust repair because I'm sure there's gonna be plenty of rust repair. I'm not looking forward to, but this is just the beginning of this journey on the Nova. I'm gonna be giving the interior a big remodel, makeover, whatever you want to call it. I have big plans for it coming soon, and glad to bring you guys through it. Hopefully you guys are glad the videos are coming back. Beto's car is not here right now, but he should be back later when I'm recording back at home. I don't know if I'm gonna be recording at my buddy's Eric's house, just because some people don't like to just have a camera in their face. Alright players, I'm back. I didn't even record nothing at Eric's house, but I was right there for a while just talking and stuff. But now I got the trim off. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. It's pretty gross. This window, I mean, it's a fine window, it's just kind of annoying, dirty and old, so I want to put a new one anyways. But you could see right here, this goes like, it kind of like stops here, but you can see I know it's gonna be weak all the way through. So yeah, once I take this off, it's gonna be the next part of this video, but I'm not gonna do this till Monday. Right now it's Saturday, and I'm gonna start pretty much the next part of this video is gonna be on Monday already, when I'm starting to show you guys how to take this off. So yeah, I also took off the back one.
Did you hear that or no?
I heard you. I also took off the back one, but not recently, but probably like last year I replaced this window, and so I know for a fact that there's no rust here. I already cleaned all this, painted it, so this is good. I just took off the back trim. I just took off the back trim too because I'm gonna paint them off finally, like I said. So yeah, next part of this video, I'm gonna be taking off the front window. Teleport till Monday. Boom! Alright players. Alright players, next day, we were in like our local parade here. I don't know if I got any, well I didn't get any clips of it yesterday, I wasn't even recording, but that's how we kind of have these little Christmas decorations and stuff. Beto has a Christmas tree on his. But we came in yesterday and we parked the cars all wrong just because everybody was coming over. So right now we're about to switch everything back up, put everything where it goes. And yeah, once we get my car over here, it's gonna rain like super bad tomorrow supposedly. So I'm gonna see if we have an extra car cover. If not, I'll probably hit AutoZone to buy one, because this is not gonna be done in one day. So we're gonna take this window off today. I'm gonna show you guys how to take it off. I'm not sure how far I'll be able to get, if I'm gonna be able to weld any of this stuff down here, because it is a lot. But yeah, let's get it rolling. All right, now we got the cars all kind of fixed. Bethel just moved his car over here because he's doing a little photo shoot. But yeah, I'm gonna start taking off the window. Pretty much what you're gonna need. I mean, in this situation where the window's kind of like sitting on, should work for most of these old cars, maybe even new cars, I don't know. But I'm gonna show you how I have done it. My brother showed me this. All you need is like a wire, like metal wire, almost like welding rod. I mean welding, like a spool of welding wire. But let me show you. I think we have like soldering wire or something. I don't know what this wire is from, but when I find it, I'll show you guys what I'm gonna use. All right, so I found it. It's actually not the soldering wire because that should probably break easily, but this is what I got. It's just some regular roll of wire, non-electrical wire, whatever, some random shit. But so pretty much what you're gonna want to do is get a little, pretty much piece like from here to here, probably like this length, probably a little longer. But you're gonna want to stick it through the old like window glue or whatever. Just stick it through from the outside to the inside, and it would help if you had like a friend or a brother or somebody to help you. One person grab on the inside and one on the outside, and you gotta just kind of pull back and forth, kind of like you're cutting it, using this to slice through, and you're gonna go back and forth all the way around. And it's gonna be tighter. It's gonna be harder in some spots just because the glue could be pretty solid, but since if it's all old, like the bottom all rusty down here, I'm pretty sure it'll just slice right through. So yeah, I'm gonna set up the camera right now, and hopefully Bethel can help me out knock this out real quick. All right, got a piece of wire this long. Pretty much gonna find a good spot to poke this through. No way, bro. You could literally lift the bottom piece of the window. Look, you can see, look. This penny is literally coming out from right there, so I bet you, I'm not even gonna worry about trying to save this window, but just in case I can't get it off all in one piece, which I'm trying to do, look at, you can see the whole bottom. Look at, oh my God, even the sides. This is worse than I thought. This window was barely even hanging on. So I'm gonna show you now. I freaking got a screwdriver pried in between. Your case should never be this bad unless your window's as bad as mine. But pretty much what you're gonna do is feed the wire through here, and just like that, it's on the inside now. All right, so I got the wire through, like I said. Now I'm gonna have Bethel go inside, or me go inside, and we're pretty much just gonna do this all the way around until we cut out the whole window. And I'm gonna try to save it. It's kind of an old window, just in case anybody wants it for free or something. But yeah, I'm gonna set the camera down so you guys can see how that works. Pretty much you want to grab one side and grab the other side and just bust one of those.
You can also use dental floss or fishing wire.
Or Bethel's underwear. Damn, this thing's hot as hell, bro.
Go, you go on the inside.
Anyways, you gotta just do this all the way around the window. In some spots, like I said, it's gonna be harder, but just and you're probably gonna break this string a couple times if you got a cheap one like us with wire. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Damn it, I had that shit on time lapse and Bethel just literally punched my window out. That's insane.
Ugh.
Pick.
This is a fucking rust bucket, fool.
Oh my God. Alright.
Garbage. For sale window. Who wants it?
Free. Bro, look at this. This is so bad.
No way, bro.
All the way around town. I'm gonna get the little shop vac though and vacuum all this shit, bro. This is so gross.
What are you gonna
But
buy?
look at this. Nice and
You're
good.
just gonna fix this.
This is pretty good up here. I wonder why it was leaking then. It was probably just the glue wasn't good, because it would always leak from this spot on the inside of the car. Like when it would rain, water drops would fall through the middle.
Disgusting, fool.
This, I'm surprised. I don't get it though. What the fuck?
Oh,
Damn, this is so bad. Look how much change this is. It's probably like enough to buy a new window. Psych. But anyways,
Take this shit off too.
I'm about to get the vacuum out and suck all this rust up, and we're gonna see what our real problem is here.
Oh, this is the antenna.
It's looking like it's gonna be a bunch of it's gonna be a rust party, guys. Beto's roasting when his car literally had no roof. So this is the only rust on this car I've ever had, and I've just been avoiding it since I bought the car. So
This is what you think? The only fucking rust that's on this car?
fool. Whatever. Anyways, guys, about to pull out the vacuum. I wish I could have showed. Oh my god, no! Do that? No way,
That should
bro.
probably all pop off.
Nah, it's pretty solid in some spots right here. Right here, it's pretty solid, but damn. Yeah, once you get the cowl panel off, it's pretty much a strip, which sucks because this is exactly where the window sits. So this has to be perfect. I can't just like patch it like, I can't just patch it like kind of crappy or whatever. I have to actually make sure the shape stays intact, because that's where the bottom of the window is going to sit and the glue has to hold there. But for the rest of it, looks pretty solid. I just got to wire wheel all this stuff up, probably paint it up, paint these now that it's easier and exposed. And yeah. All right, guys, pretty much vacuumed up as much of the crust as I could take out, but I don't know. I'm considering just taking off the dash pad right now and seeing if this is easy to come out, because I mean, look, it's basically coming out. It's kind of just holding on by this little piece here, and I don't know if it'll be smarter to just like replace this whole thing out, or, which I feel like doing, is just cutting along this hard line and fucking welding a strip of metal all the way across, because that would be the easier solution for me. But I might just do the strip, honestly. But I still want to take off this dash pad because look, it's crunchy like a Dorito. So yeah, I'm gonna put a new one on too, so I guess I'm gonna just take it out now so I could paint all this nice and good. That way the new dash pad goes on over nice painted stuff. All right, guys, this was our aftermath after going rampage on it right now. Just pretty much ripped it all out. And it has like 5 or 6 of these little screws or whatever. We just kind of cut around them to rip it out easier. But now, yeah, it's just like these little nuts. And you just got to pretty much, they're 1/2-inch socket. Just back them all out. This. I think there's a few over there on each side of the doors. But yeah, so now I think I'm gonna clean all this dirt up, make it all nice, and then get onto the rust. I mean, I might start today. I might just do like a few strips, because this is all one piece all the way down to the metal down here, and I don't really feel like replacing that whole thing. So I'm gonna just do strips, fix the rust, clean this all up nice, paint it, get a new dash for it, dash pad I mean, and then yeah, go time on this. Start cleaning up this, wire wheel all this crap, make it all nice and good for paint. All right, players, I just went and got some sheet metal, and I'm pretty much gonna pause on this for today because I have school in a couple hours and I don't really want to get started. I know it's gonna take me a minute to cut all that and pretty much shape it to all this and weld and prep and all that. So I'm gonna pause right now. I'm gonna put a tarp over this and a car cover I just picked up too, because it's gonna rain big time tomorrow, supposed to be. So maybe tomorrow's Tuesday, maybe on Wednesday I'll come back out if everything's good still, if the sun's out, and I'll get down on the rest of this. So you guys will see the next part of this video. I'm gonna have to leave for class in a little bit. I already cleaned up and stuff, but this is a car cover I got at AutoZone for like 40 bucks. It's kind of cheap, but that's why I put that tarp underneath. So hopefully the rain doesn't get in there. and hopefully it doesn't rain too bad. But yeah, I'm gonna pick up this video probably next week, actually fixing all the rust, and I'm gonna pick up the dash pad, so I'll be showing you guys how to install that too. Mainly on this video, I just wanted to get across how to remove the windshield, and it was pretty easy just because this was just punching it out and the window glue wasn't really sticking anymore, so it was a lot easier than it should be. But the method I was showing you guys with the wire is pretty much what you want to do if you're trying to take your window off. So hopefully this video helped. Glad to be back making videos again. Gonna try not to be missing anymore like I did. I know I missed like 3 weeks, but we're back, and stay tuned for next week, guys. Peace.